Hi, friends. You already know that Jupiter and Saturn are gas planets. But do you know how they were actually formed? I mean, just think, guys. How can gas take the shape of a planet? And if they are made only of gas, then how is their gravity so powerful? Let's understand. So, without any delay, let's start. In our solar system, there are a total of 8 planets. The first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, are land rocky planets. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these 4 are gas planets. Among them, Uranus and Neptune are made of ice and snow. But Jupiter and Saturn are almost completely gas planets, and they are the largest planets in the solar system. Jupiter is so big that it can swallow all the planets twice and still have space left. And it can swallow Earth around 1,300 times. So why are these gas planets so huge? To understand this, we have to go back in time and understand their formation. Around 4.6 billion years ago, there was nothing in our solar system. There was only dust and clouds. Then, a nearby star had a fusion event, which created extremely powerful waves. Because of this, the clouds and dust particles started collapsing, and our sun was formed. Whenever a new star forms, a disk forms around it. This is called a protoplanetary disk. As the name itself suggests, this disk is responsible for forming planets. From this disk, our planets were going to form. Inside this disk, dust, particles started sticking together, forming stones. This disk stays for about 5 to 10 million years after the formation of a star. After that, the disk disappears and new planets are formed. All the planets were formed from this disk. In the inner area, small rocky planets formed: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. In the outer area, huge gas giants formed: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Finally, the first planet to form was Jupiter. After that came Saturn. Then Uranus and Neptune were formed. So now you understand that gas planets formed before land planets, and they consumed more dust and gas, which is why they became so big. Jupiter formed first, and that is the reason why it is the largest planet in the solar system. Because Jupiter got the most time to consume gas and dust, Jupiter and other gas planets are mainly made of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that form our sun. So that was about their formation. Now the question is, what is inside their core? And how did they get gravity? Simple. The more the mass, the more the gravity. It doesn't matter if it's gas or solid. Mass is what matters. And Jupiter and Saturn have so much gas that their gravity became insanely strong. And their cores, according to scientists, they may have a dense, rocky, or metallic core. Some scientists believe that inside there is lava like Earth, which makes them rotate so fast. But the real reason is this. Gas giants collected a huge amount of gas, hydrogen and helium, and material around them. The more material they gathered, the more angular momentum, rotational energy, they gained, which increased their speed of rotation. But Uranus and Neptune have cores made of rock and ice. Now, the question comes, why does it take so much time for gas giants to complete one orbit around the Sun? Jupiter takes 12 years to complete one orbit, and Neptune takes 165 years. Can you believe that? The reason is orbital velocity. According to Kepler's law of periods, the farther a planet is from the Sun, the weaker the Sun's gravity on it, and the slower it moves. So friends, that's all for today. I have explained everything about gas giants, from their formation to their properties. If you like space facts like this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And tell me the next video topic in the comments. And hey, don't forget to subscribe before leaving.